So this is where we are going to do the guided practice. The first thing you're going to need to do is download a copy of the practice. Once you've done that, you can either print it out and work directly on the paper, or you can just use a blank piece of paper to solve the problems. You're going to complete each problem of the guided practice, pause the video before the solution is given, and try to solve each problem. Unpause it if you get stuck, or to check if you are correct. Here we go. The guided practice directions say, write the name and length of an object whose length you know. Then use that object to help you estimate the length of the object shown. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using paper clips to measure a pencil. And a paper clip is about 1 inch long. Right now we are going to measure this pencil here using paper clips. So I'm going to make sure that my edges here line up. The end of the pencil lines up with the end of the paper clip. So that's 1, 2, and when I do this I want to make sure that my paper clips are touching. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's not a full 6, but it does look like it's more than halfway. So I'm going to say that this is 6 paper clips long. So if my pencil is about 6 paper clips long, then it is also about 6 inches long. So now the object whose length I know, it's supposed to be a book. And that's because when we are in class together, everyone has their math book. But we don't have our math book right now. So we're going to use a piece of paper instead. And a piece of paper, a piece of printer paper, is about 1 foot long. Right now, I am going to measure my desk using pieces of paper. And these pieces of paper are about 1 foot long. So I'm going to line them up here on the edge, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 sheets of paper. I did not include this little piece because it is not equal to or greater than a half sheet of paper. If I would have put the piece of paper here, it just would have fallen right off. So my desk is about 5 pieces of paper long, or about 5 feet long. So now all I have to do is write in my answer. My desk is about 5 feet long. And since you are going to be measuring a different desk, your measurement is more than likely going to be different than mine.